Welcome to this comprehensive guide on using vanilla gift cards on PayPal. As of 2025, many individuals are looking for ways to utilize their gift cards on various online platforms, including PayPal. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process step by step, covering key concepts, practical examples, and best practices. First, it is essential to understand what vanilla gift cards are. These are prepaid gift cards that can be used to make purchases at multiple stores, both online and in person. They are often purchased as gifts or rewards and can be used to buy a wide range of products and services. To use a vanilla gift card on PayPal, you will need to add the card to your PayPal account. This can be done by logging into your PayPal account, clicking on the Wallet tab, and selecting the Link Card option. You will then need to enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once the card is added to your PayPal account, you can use it to make purchases or send payments. However, it is crucial to note that some merchants may not accept vanilla gift cards as a payment method. Therefore, it is always a good idea to check with the merchant before making a purchase. Another important aspect to consider is the balance on your vanilla gift card. You can check the balance by visiting the website of the card issuer or by calling their customer service number. It is also possible to transfer the balance to your PayPal account, which can be useful if you want to use the funds to make a purchase that exceeds the card balance. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to use your vanilla gift card on PayPal for online purchases, as this will help to minimize the risk of the card being lost, stolen, or damaged. Additionally, be sure to keep track of your card balance and transaction history to avoid any potential issues. In conclusion, using a vanilla gift card on PayPal is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By understanding the key concepts and following the best practices outlined in this guide, you can make the most of your gift card and enjoy a seamless online shopping experience.